I'm in here, but light is breaking. Can anybody see? I'm in here, yet hope is awakened. Love will set me free. Can you hear my call? The dawn is rising now. I've been waiting for courage to lift me from the ground. I need you to hold all of the dreams I carry, shining inside of me. I'm in here, but reaching out. Together we'll be free. I'm in here, but faith is stronger. Can anybody hear? I'm calling out. The night won't linger. The morning's drawing near. Can you hear my call? The stars are guiding now. I've been waiting for promise to show me what's allowed. I need you to hold all of the hope I'm finding, burning inside of me. I'm in here, but breaking through. The world will finally see. I'm rising up, I'm breaking chains. I am facing it all. Walls can't hold my spirit down. I know there is hope for me. Is anybody out there listening? I believe in destiny. Can you hear my call? Future shining now. I've been waiting for freedom, and I